What's up YouTube? Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's video where I'll be telling you if Amazon is a good stock to buy in my opinion. Amazon is a good company to review since almost everyone knows what it is. They started off as an online bookstore and now they're like an online everything store and tons of people use it in America, Canada, and all over the world. But just because a company is well known does not make it a good investment. So now we'll get into the fundamentals and see if Amazon is a good stock to buy today. So there are three main points to why I am bullish on Amazon stock. Being bullish just means I think it'll go up in the future. The first point is that I really believe in their founder and CEO, Jeff Bezos. The second point is that they are the dominant #1 in online retail. And the third point is that they have a department known as Amazon Web Services that is also the market leader and brings in tons of profits every year. Having the leader of the company being someone you have faith in is almost critical to the company having success. The CEO dictates where the company will go. Jeff Bezos has been the CEO for Amazon for its entire lifetime, and he's done a great job helping it increase its profits year after year. The second point of market dominance in the online retail space is extremely important. Whenever someone goes to buy something online, they will usually look at Amazon first, and they typically have the lowest prices. Being the market leader is very important in any sector, such as banking or even ride sharing. So Amazon being the market leader in online retail is a huge advantage for it, and is one of the reasons why I think Amazon has a lot of room to grow in the future. The third reason why I am bullish on Amazon stock is its Amazon Web Services department. Now, when you evaluate any company, you're supposed to take an unbiased opinion, look at the numbers, look at the facts, and see what makes sense. But everyone's going to have a little bit of personal bias. For me, as a software engineer, I know that software sells for a high amount of money for very little repeated work. I also know that almost every big tech company uses Amazon Web Services in one way or another. And Amazon Web Services is just a bunch of code written by someone. And so if you just take code and sell it, there's very little to maintain. You just sell it as is and make repeated revenues from the companies that buy it. Their market dominance over other big tech companies such as Google and Microsoft is one of the main reasons why I am very bullish of Amazon for the future. Another note that I want to mention about Amazon is that someone has to write this code that makes Amazon Web Services. And I personally know that Amazon pays very well and has a very rigorous hiring structure so that they can get the top talent to improve their code base and constantly sell Amazon Web Services at a high price. So those are some reasons why I believe Amazon will increase in the future. Now let's look at some of the charts for a more technical analysis. Here is the 1-year price chart for Amazon. As you can see, the price goes from around $1,400 all the way up to $2,000, then hovers close to $1,700. So the stock is not exactly on a decline, but it's not increasing like crazy like it was before. So that's why I think this stock has a lot of upside in the future. So Amazon currently trades at a price of $1,786.50. And it has a market capitalization of $885.74 billion. For those of you that don't know, market capitalization is the share price multiplied by the number of shares, therefore giving a value that the investors think Amazon is worth. Currently, I think the highest market cap company is Microsoft or Apple with around $1 trillion. So I think Amazon can definitely reach that point sometime in the future. Looking at the 5-year graph of Amazon's price, you can see just 5 years ago, the price was under $500. If you were fortunate enough to buy at this time, you would have made quite a lot of money. Now, it constantly increased all the way up to around $2,000. So buying at any point in the last 2 or 3 years was on the increase. And this is where I do not recommend buying stocks. It's easy to see it going up and think, okay, I'll just buy as it's going up. But as you can see, the best time is to buy on the decrease. Here, if you were fortunate enough, is the best time to buy. But then it shot right back up to 2000. And now that it hovers somewhere around 1700, you can see it's been kind of flat for a while. So it's almost a good time to buy. These long-term charts show you how it is going over time. To end the video, I'll show an update for my simulated stock trading portfolio. Once again, this is only a simulated account and none of the money is real. This account started with $100,000 and I tried to make a trade in the last video for $291 for the stock ticker symbol VOO. I did not quite get that price, but I did manage to get it for $293, as you can see here. The market value for this stock is now $296, representing close to a 1% gain over a very short period of time. Once again, I only put in about $1,500 into this stock to demonstrate the principle of dollar cost averaging. By putting a small amount, if it goes down, I will be able to buy more at a lower price, and if it goes up, I will get gains on this small amount. As this ticker symbol is trending up, I do not recommend buying it quite now. Maybe wait a bit later, but this shows dollar cost averaging, even when times are high, will result in some gains. Everything in the market looks fairly high to me right now, and things are going up. The only one that I will buy, or I'm looking to buy, is Amazon, if it can come down slightly. I'll make a video if I end up putting a trade order in for Amazon. And for VOO, I will not put in again until another month or so to demonstrate the principle of dollar cost averaging. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned a lot about Amazon stock. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you have not already. Leave a comment in the sections below. Let me know what you think about Amazon stock. Is it too high? Is it too low? I'll be buying it if it goes down a little bit. Once again, I am not a licensed financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only.